Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me again today for another pour. My name is Michelle Peha. I've just flooded my base to save some time. I'm just going to give it a little bit of torch today. I'm just going to do a Dutchpour. So give it a little bit of torch for any air bubbles. Just fix up my corners. Make sure it's well covered. Okay. So today I'm going to be doing Amsterdam Sky Blue, Amsterdam Yellow Medium, Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet, and then, don't want that one, I'm just going to be doing DecoArt Metallics Gold. So those are my colours today. Okay. So I'm just going to put the blue on first. Then I might put a bit of the yellow. Then the Permanent Red Violet. And last of all, just a bit of the gold. Which I think I just put a bit too much gold. Okay. So I'm just going to blow this over just a touch. Extra white on there. Blow this over. Just a touch. A little bit of a torch. Let's sit for a little second. Okay. I'm going to blow it up. Okay, I did flick a bit too much the dryer. Just get that bit off. Okay. I don't think I'm going to mess with this much. Actually, quite like it. Okay. Don't know whether to even torch the edges. I actually quite like that, and I think there's plenty enough cells there. Okay. Might bring you down to have a quick look. Okay, I've got the flash on just to bring out a bit more of that sparkle.